Are you thinking about selling your home in the near future? If so, watch this video to find out 3 essential elements to market it. Hi, I'm Sergio Garcia, realtor with the GarciaSHomeS team, and here are 3 essential elements to market your home for sale. Number 1, the description. It should be clear and compelling, and it should consider best practices in search engine optimization. Number 2, photos. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and high-quality photos can help bring buyers through the door. And number 3, the audience. If your home is highly customized or it has unique features, it may require a more specific approach to find the right buyer. So, if you would like to know more about how we promote the houses we sell, just reach out to us. We'd love to offer you a free no-obligation consultation, and we'll create an action plan to get your home sold. As always, the GarciaSHomeS team helping you with your real estate needs. Have a great day.